Have you ever wondered, how can I make a tassel? I'm going to show you how to make a tassel. It's very, very easy. You can use embroidery floss, which is what I've used here, but you can use twine, string, yarn is great for this. So what I did is I cut 15 pieces at 6 inches each. And the trick is to get them kind of lined up. It doesn't have to be exact because we're going to go back and trim it. So I'm going to take one piece off. I'm going to tie it in the middle. So it looks like that. I'm going to bring this down like this. Just kind of comb it out a little bit with my fingers. Then I'm going to come about 1/4 of an inch or whatever you like to make a little, almost like a little head. This piece is 12 inches long. And the reason this one's longer is so you can wrap it if you want. So it's almost like a little person. I'm just fanning it out a little bit. So you can wrap it if you want to. Okay. So this is what we're looking at. The little head. It looks like a little crazy bug or something with antennas, but and we're gonna take our long piece and we're gonna tie it. And again, you can wrap it as much as you want. Brush everything down. My scissors aren't very sharp, but there we go. And you've got a little tassel. You can attach this to pretty much anything. You can cut off your little piece there that's sticking up. So you could tie it onto your keys or whatever you want. So you can use anything really for this. I'm just using embroidery floss for a small one, but if you wanted to do a big fat one, yarn is a great choice. And there you go, all your tassel needs.